Hey Sunshines, I'm back at it again. This is your girl Jane from Jane's Creative Life. In today's video, I'm showing you guys a project that I did. I did a apartment makeover. So I did the bedroom, the living room area, and the kitchen. So these are some of the before pictures of some of the spaces. And then I will reveal the after. But I just wanted to show you guys anything is possible. Okay. So this apartment right here, the client recently moved in with her spouse. So, a guy don't care about none of this stuff. So the way that they were living, the way that he was living compared to the way that she wanted to live, and they was on a very tight budget. They recently just got married and they couldn't move right now into a different apartment because he had just renewed his lease, so they had to stay there. So she hired me to make the best out of it. At first she didn't want to stay there, and I told her, listen, I could turn this into a home for you. Don't worry. It looks bad now, but you in the right hands. So the process was to clear out the whole home, get rid of a lot of things. And this is the part that everybody hates, which is getting rid of things that you don't need, things that's not being used, things that you just got free and maybe you didn't know what to do with it. Somebody didn't want it, so they dumped it off at your house. So I had to start off with a new canvas, no clutter. I had to declutter everything, throw away as much as I can, because he was not really tied to anything. He just pretty much had these things. So it was easy for me to get rid of them because, of course, he wanted his wife to move in, his newly wife. So he was okay with everything. After the fact, the transformation, they cried, you guys. When I say they cried, I cannot wait. So without further ado, this is it. Alright, you guys, this is it. It came out so nice. My client was in love. They love the space. Now the husband really don't want to move out. So I'm glad I was able to accomplish this for them. At the end of the day, they had a tight budget, but they wanted to be in a comfortable space. Well, she wanted to be in a comfortable space. So I'm glad I was able to give her that. So definitely leave in the comment section and tell me which part you like most. Again, I do apologize that this part of the video was not filmed via landscape. I don't know what was going on when I was filming. That was my mistake. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and tell me if you like these sort of videos, because I definitely want to bring you guys more into my world. Love you guys. Be safe. See you soon, and talk to you in my next video.